Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start our next topic, excretion in animals, of chapter 11. Excretion. The definition of excretion is the process by which waste products are removed from the body. Okay, what is the meaning of excretion? Removing the waste product from the body. That process is called excretion. Okay, excretion is done by the excretory system. A system which name is excretory system. By this the processes happen. Okay, so the human excretory system consists of two kidneys. How many? Two kidneys, two ureters, one urinary bladder and urethra. Understand? You can see in the picture. These are kidney. Okay. Two ureters. This is also ureters. And this is urinary bladder and this is urethra. Okay, so the blood brings the waste product to the kidneys. When blood is filtered by the kidneys, the waste product left here only in the kidneys, and that waste product filtered the kidney filter the waste and remove the waste as urine. जितना भी वेस्ट होता है वो यूरिन के फॉर्म में यहाँ से किडनी से ब्लड फिल्टर हो जाता है और किडनी के वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म यूरिन के फॉर्म में वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट कहाँ जाता है? इट विल कम इनटू ureters. Okay, and then urine passes through the ureters into urinary bladder. पूरा जो यूरिन है वो यहाँ यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में आकर इकट्ठा हो जाता है. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड फ्रॉम द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर द यूरिन पासेस आउट थ्रू द यूरेथेरा. और जितना भी यूरिन यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में इकट्ठा हो जाता है वो पूरा यूरेथेरा से पास आउट हो जाता है ना? रिमूव फ्रॉम द बॉडी. Understand the process of excretory system? Now, listen. One adult human can discharge 1 to 1.8 liter urine within a 24 hour. Okay, within a 24 hour, an adult can pass 1 to 1.8 liter urine, and urine contains what? Water, urea and other waste product. From this urine, that 95% of water, 2.5% urea and 2.5% other waste product. Okay, so now I hope you understand this excretion in animal. Now we will study about excretion in the animals. In animals, that birds. Okay, birds and lizards are excrete uric acid. Okay, they remove uric acid from their body. And fishes excrete their cellular waste in the form of gaseous substance called ammonia. जितने भी fishes होते हैं वो excretions substance के रूप में अमोनिया को डिस्चार्ज करते हैं बॉडी से. एंड बर्ड्स एंड लिजर्ड्स आर एक्सक्रीटिंग uric acid. Okay, so now the excretion in animal or the transportation in plants. Okay, we have learned about the excretion in animals. Now transportation in plants. First, before excretion in animal, we have learned about the transportation in animals. Now that topic, transportation in plant, how it will happen. As you know that plants are making food in the presence of sunlight by photosynthesis, yes, and they store the food, okay, and they absorb the mineral and water by their roots. So now question arises, how they transport the food in the all parts of plants, okay, and how they distribute, how they transport the water and mineral to the all parts of the plants. So we will study about that only here in this topic, transportation in plants. In plants, transport of food, water and and minerals takes place through special tissues called vascular tissues. So plants are having some special tissues called vascular tissues, okay, the name you have to learn, okay, vascular tissue, that are special tissues. Understand? Tissue, a group of cells are called, a group of cells is called tissue. Understand? Now tissues, a group of cells which perform a specialized function, एक special function perform करते हैं और वो group of cells होते हैं, that is tissue. Vascular tissues is of two type called xylem and phloem, okay, xylem and phloem, that are two type of vascular tissues that are performing a specialized function. Understand? Now roots, uh, the roots have root hairs which absorb water and mineral from the soil. आपने किसी भी प्लांट को उखाड़ के देखा होगा, when you pluck the plant, okay, from the soil, then you can see that small like hair type of structure is there in the root. So that are root hairs, that called root hairs. The root have root hairs which absorb water and minerals from the soil. The xylem tissues transport water to all parts of प्लांट्स. जितने भी जाइलम टिश्यूज होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, उनका काम है कि वाटर को प्लांट के सारे पार्ट्स में ट्रांसपोर्ट करेंगे. एंड फूड इज प्रिपेयर्ड इन लीव्स. एज यू नो that by the process of photosynthesis the plant is preparing food and food is prepared by the leaves. So the phloem tissue's work is that phloem tissue transport the food to all parts of plants. You can see here the tissues, the structure of stem, okay, see root hair, okay, and after root hair epidermis, that is first layer of the stem, then after it this is cortex after epidermis, and then endodermis, yes, and then this pericycle, and xylems are these. What is the work of xylem? They transport water to all parts of the plants. And then these are phloem. The phloem's work is to transport food to all parts of the plants. Understand of this topic, transportation in plants? So now last topic of this chapter is transpiration. Transportation and transpiration both are different topics, so don't confuse in it. So transpiration is the process by which plants gives out water through the stomata in leaves. Okay, क्या प्रोसेस होती है ये, जो स्टोमेटा से पानी को छोड़ते हैं बाहर, है ना, पत्तियों में से जो स्टोमेटा होते हैं उसमें से पानी बाहर जाना, उड़ जाना, पानी इवेपोरेट हो जाना, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसपिरेशन. The evaporation of water from leaves produce a suction pull which can pull water to great height in tall trees. जो लंबे जो ट्री होते हैं उसमें बहुत ऊंची हाइट पर भी ट्रांसपिरेशन साइकिल होती है. दे सक द वाटर फ्रॉम रूट एंड evaporate from the heights, great heights of in tall trees. Understand? You can see this plant, that arrows are showing very nicely, that arrows, and through the stomata water is evaporating in atmosphere. Understand? You can see here. And if you know that stomata are present in green parts of plant, in the leaves. Okay, so leaf contains many stomata. Upper side uh, of leaves the stomata found, and the lower side of the leaf the stomata finds are not equal in number. Okay, understand? जो स्टोमेटा ऊपर की तरफ पत्तियों में पाए जाते हैं, जो नीचे पाए जाते हैं, वो इक्वल नहीं होते हैं. जनरली द लोअर सरफेस ऑफ लीव कंटेन्स मोर स्टोमेटा एज कम्पेयर टू अपर सरफेस. तो जो नीचे की तरफ होते हैं ज़्यादा स्टोमेटा पाए जाते हैं, जिससे वाटर लॉस ज़्यादा ना हो, और ऊपर की तरफ थोड़े स्टोमेटा कम पाए जाते हैं. एंड ट्रांसपिरेशन ऑल्सो हेल्प इन टू वेज ऑफ प्लांट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट प्रोवाइड्स कूलिंग इफेक्ट टू द प्लांट्स. ये ट्रांसपिरेशन कूलिंग इफेक्ट प्लांट्स को देता है. नंबर 2, इट क्रिएट्स सक्शन पुल्स सो वाटर कैन पुल्ड अपवर्ड इनटू टॉल ट्रीज. जो अभी हमने पढ़ा था ये कि एक सक्शन पुल उसमें पैदा करता है, जिससे वाटर ऊपर की तरफ खींचता है उससे, है ना. लाइक फ्रॉम स्ट्रॉ यू कैन सक द जूस. अंडरस्टैंड? इन सेम वे. So now this topic is also complete. The chapter completed, chapter 11. Tomorrow I will give you the exercise. Write down in your notebook and fill the exercise in the book, question answer in the notebook, and read the chapter. If you are not understanding any terms, then you can write me, okay, on WhatsApp. Then I will solve your query. Okay, till then prepare nicely of your chapter. Okay, thank you.